Let's be honest, there are lots of ways to create a consistent character across multiple scenes using AI, but they all cost money. What if I told you that you could create consistent characters across multiple scenes for free? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that and even give you some prompts to get started. Let's dive in. I'll start by showing the workflow for creating a character using text-to-image prompts, assuming that you don't have any reference photos. Then after that, I'll show you how to do it using a reference photo via an image-to-image prompt. Start by going to Grok.com, and if you haven't already, create a login profile. It's completely free. Before you begin, click on your profile icon and select Settings. Then under Behavior, tick off Enable Automatic Video Generation. This will make your life a lot easier. It's set to be on by default, and that causes Grok to immediately start creating videos when you don't really want it to. By the way, if you need an absolute beginner's lesson on how to use Grok AI to make videos, click on this link up here. It's only a 5-minute lesson and it's well worth it. Watch it, then come back. Okay, start by clicking on Imagine, then click on Image and select your desired aspect ratio. I'm going to go with 16:9. Now type in your prompt. I'm typing in this prompt. You can find it in the description below. Now I can choose between the images presented. If I don't like any of them, I can always ask for more. After picking an image, I'll go ahead and download it. Although the thing is, you don't actually have to. I can also just start creating right from here. What I want to do now is create the starting frame for each of my short scenes. To do this, I'll make sure Image is selected and enter in my first prompt. Again, I'll put that in the description below. Now I can choose between the images presented. When I do, I'll download it, and I'll continue doing this until I have all my starting frames created. Now all I have to do is use each of these images to create the video scenes. I'll start by uploading my first image and changing this to video. Then I'll enter the prompt for that scene. I can do this as many times as I need to until I get a video that I like. Then I'll download it. Moving on to the next one, I'll do the same thing until I create all of them. From here, I'll bring these into my video editor of choice, cut them together, maybe add some music, and here's the final result. Now let's talk about creating an image-to-image character. I'll start with a new chat and upload an image of myself. Notice that I've removed the background, so there won't be any issues with that. Now I'll put in the prompt. After choosing the image that I like, I can go ahead and use the same workflow that I just used on the text-to-image videos. And here's the result. And there you have it, consistent characters across multiple scenes for free. What can I say? The future of video is here and it's more accessible than ever before. Listen, if this video helped you out today, hit that like button and subscribe for more AI filmmaking and editing tutorials. I'm Jay Haynes for the Hit Film Sensei YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next one.